let yourself be aware of whatever's challenging you most during this point in time and what's up for you now. One of the most important practices for breaking the cycle of difficult feelings and thoughts is asking questions from the heart. I don't mean just any type of question, which often have veiled judgments like, why did you do that? What's wrong with you? Instead, recognize you need to ask questions that are aimed at how you can find healing and benefit in your life. How can I care for you? What actions do you need to take to feel best about yourself? Can you see clearly the difference between these two types of questions? One is aimed unwittingly to create harm, and the other benefit. It's relatively easy to distinguish between these two types of questions when you're hearing them one right after the other. However, when we're left to our own devices, it's very easy to ask questions like, what the heck's wrong with you? Why'd you do that? But if we really pause and contemplate and recognize that questions could be designed just to serve our well-being, just to support our heart. And yes, we can dedicate ourselves to that. Can you see how much you would really like to make that shift? Again, I think it's very important to recognize you'll need to catch yourself in asking negative questions. But the good news is you may start to have a frame of reference to be able to shift from these negative questions to ones that can really benefit you. Ask yourself, what attitudes do you most want to develop? What feelings do you need to care for the most? What thoughts do you want to let go of? What thoughts do you most want to foster? What way can you most help to remind yourself to keep asking questions that will start from challenging emotions and are designed to create healing and well-being? How much can you trust and recognize that asking this type of question from the heart is a source of guidance that you can identify as being really genuine to you? How much can you let yourself relax into this healing focus more and more? Keep practicing this until you can reliably use it with healing questions rather than falling prey to veiled judgment questions. A source of breaking gridlock in your mind and heart and opening to healing and well-being can be embodied not only in the question that you ask, but also in the tone of your question as well. Give yourself whatever encouraging reminder you can that will guide you to remember, at these times of great difficulty, I want to ask myself questions that are from my heart and for my heart.